Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, West Indies head coach Phil Simmons says he is impressed by the improvement in the form of Jamaican batsman Blackwood. Simmons says his performances in the regional four-day competition, where he top scored with 768 runs, was encouraging in his return to the West Indies squad.
He scored a double hundred in the tournament. So I think he has worked on how he wants to score runs, and his attacking powers comes into that, is part of that. So once he continues to work on his game, just as he played in the domestic series at home, then he will be successful at this level. It's all about shot selection for him because he has most of the shots.
Now, upon arriving in England earlier this month, Simmons said that he is hoping for good execution from all batters throughout the Test series. He says so far they've been putting in good work in training.
The batters have looked really well on this. The work that they've put in over the last couple of weeks, it has showed. And over the next 3 days, we're going to see how they put their innings together. But as for working and the way how they look in the nets, it's been good.
Now, the first Test bowls off on July 8 at the Rose Bowl in Southampton. The Windies will commence a three-day tour match starting on Tuesday.